guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Deonna. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing my August Boxycharm. I don't know what's coming in here. I've been watching a couple videos. I didn't like do any sneak peeks or anything like that, so I'm excited to break into this. So first thing we have, of course, is the Boxycharm card. Of course, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'm sorry. It is a $21 a month subscription where you get 5 to 6 full-size makeup products. It's really an exciting subscription. This is my second month though. So yeah, if you want to see what I got last month, I'll link it down below. If you're interested in signing up, I'll also have a link in the description box below. So this is what the box looks like inside first glance. So first thing I see here, which I'm excited about, are these House of Lashes style knockouts. This is how they look. They're super pretty. Okay, the next thing I have here is this Adesi Age Defying Nail Treatment Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. You guys know I've been trying to get onto, I'm sorry, this is how it looks. I have been, if you've been paying attention to my vlogs, I've been talking about doing my own nails, taking better care of my nails and stuff, so this will definitely come in handy. So it's a full-size cuticle oil. Okay, next thing I have here is this Bang Beauty, and I believe this is a gel eyeliner, but it's in brown, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's in a chocolate gel, chocolate gel liner. This is how it looks, and this is the packaging. It kind of reminds me of like a pomade, and honestly, I mean, what would I do with the brown eyeliner? But I probably could use this to do my eyebrows. Or I might put this in the giveaway. I don't know. I'm going to be doing a giveaway shortly, so some of these products that I'll be getting in my subscriptions, I'll be putting aside and, you know, either giving to friends or putting it in the giveaway for you guys. Okay, the next thing I have here is this Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. It was so funny because I was watching this this guy's video, and he was really coming for the fact that she had the palettes come inside of this bag instead of just, I don't know, but it was funny. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. I'm not really a fan of Laura Lee, but this is the Party Animal palette. I didn't really know much about this palette. I'm not too like, oh my gosh, I was so excited I got this palette, but it is nice to have in my collection because it's definitely not something I probably would have paid full price for. And you have a lot of those neon fun little colors. Next thing I have here is this Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte. This is in So Jelly. It's a pretty color, and the packaging is really nice, but I'm not really into the metallic finish thing, so I don't know that I would wear this though, truthfully. And then the last thing that I got is something that I'm also kind of excited about, and it's the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I've always wanted to try the gold eye mask. We actually get 3 of them, so that's nice. You don't just get 1 pair. You get 3 of them, and you get 3 uses. You can actually kind of see how it works. And we got something from this brand last time. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I also am really excited about the lashes, and I like the cuticle oil. So that's what I got in my July Boxycharm, you guys. If you're interested, I'll have a link in the description box below. I'll see you in the next month's video.